are pleased to show you the 2020 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panoramic sunroof, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.